Buying a new home is one of the most important financial decisions you will ever make. It's not just about finding the perfect place to live, it's also about making a smart financial choice that can save you a lot of money. Here, I'll share some practical tips and strategies to help you unlock substantial saving when buying a home and in the future. From saving on living expenses to taking advantage of the government incentive, we'll cover everything you will need to know. Here on optifinance, we are helping people to explore their new wealth horizons. Before that, I need to clarify that I'm not a certified estate agent or real estate investor. If you are looking to buy a house for investment purpose, it's always recommended to consult a professional. If you are looking to buy a house to live in and you are novice, unsure about the process, you should also seek advice from a professional. I'm just sharing the information I've gathered for the last couple of weeks and summarizing it for you. This year, the government has introduced a series of new schemes, especially targeting first-time home buyers. First, tax relief. For the residential properties priced below 500,000 ringgit Malaysia, you can enjoy a tax relief of 7,000 ringgit Malaysia. If the price is above 500,000 and between 750,000, you can apply for a tax relief of 5,000 ringgit Malaysia. This plan will last for 3 years from the 1st of January 2025 to December 31st, 2027. The Housing Credit Guarantee Scheme, HGS, the government plans to allocate 1 billion to benefiting over 20,000 first-time home buyers. The HGS also has a derivative plan, the installment financing schemes. This to target young first-time home buyers and provide up to 500 million in government guarantees. Additionally, the government will offer lower loan repayments for the first 5 years to borrowers. The government will also allocate 900 million ringgit Malaysia to implement 48th People Residency Program and 14th Rumah Mesra Rakyat project. This project provides affordable housing option for the buyers. If you are low-income individual, there will be additional support. This budget includes increasing funding for poverty housing program and assistance for the fishermen and Chinese New Village residents to build a new home. The cap on repair costs for existing homes will also be increased. Besides government benefit, for those who have bought the condominiums, your monthly maintenance fee includes the fire insurance. If you have taken a loan from the bank, it's likely that bank also purchase fire insurance for you. This means that you pay twice. In this case, you can request a refund from your bank. If you are still considering buying a home, it's advisable to talk to different agents and developers. Each agent and developer may offer different incentives such as cash rebate, down payment rebate, assistance with the home inspections, rental service, free legal fee, and more. During the survey, set a down payment goal of 10% of the property price. This can reduce your loan amount and interest payment. Also set aside an emergency fund for unexpected expenses during the buying process. When applying for a loan, if the terms are not what you expected, try a few more banks to get the best deal. When it comes to renovation, you can use the free software to design your desired home. Also refer to online renovation styles and tips to avoid pitfall. This can save on designer fee and other miscellaneous costs. The same principle applies to renovation team. Ensure they have a good track record and avoid the costly mistake. For furniture, compare the price from different stores to find the best deals and quality. You can also look for furniture suppliers as their price may be lower than the retail stores. Investing in energy efficient appliances can save on utility bills in the long run. In conclusion, with careful planning and smart strategies, you can save thousands of dollars. Remember to have a detailed budget. Consider DIY option. Shop smart and focus on essentials to avoid costly and unnecessary upgrades. I hope these tips helped you make your home buying journey both exciting and financially rewarding. If you have any money saving tips, feel free to share them in the comments section below.